Ah! Look at the collie, stop that! Anyway, look at the cute animal. There are no animals in this one, are there? Wait, there's one. Look at the.
Oh, look, there's one. He's a, you know, what's it called?
Edom.
Dude, here's what's left of the piercing. Hold on to it. I want to try to find another one later.
Look at that guy. Isn't he cool? Look at that. Anything in here? No. Ducks, I guess. Quack, quack, quack. No, these are quack ducks. Quack.
How do you tell?
We're ducks. And these are some kind of bird. It's called Guinea Floa, whatever. Cool. Oh, there it is. He's in the corner. You can't really see him, but he's a he's that. There's supposed to be chickens and chicken facts. Wait, yeah, they're in there. Just give me 1 minute. Oh, yeah. There it is. Only one. Right there. Right there, some more. Look. They're all right there. And then some more of that bird. They're all. And, oh, here they are. Here's that bird. It's a turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble. Cute. And these two. Still don't know what they are. Keep forgetting. Pretty little guys, though. Look. What the heck are you? What? You want a piece of me? And that's my end of the tour of the animals. Peace out.